Thank you, Toastmaster of the day, Alex Jacob. Good morning, my beloved Toastmasters, my dear fellow guest. I just changed my gallery. I'm just looking you all as an audience. Okay, many of the people over here, were from the district, haven't interacted much with you people. You are not that familiar to me, and I'm not familiar to you as well. We started this new year. So when we started, we'll always wish you a happy, healthy, prosperous new year. Have you ever wished? Okay, you should undergo negative emotions as well. If somebody says like, okay, you should undergo negative emotions, like what they feel of us, like, oh, what is why he is cursing us at the start of the new year. But to take the flip side of the negative emotions, everybody goes through that emotions. Without that, we will not mature as a person. If we all have only success in our life, once we meet any failure, we will not recover from that. The fear for examination will help us to prepare better. Do you all agree? If you don't have a fear on your examination, you will not do your best. You will not prepare to meet the expectations. The fear to give a good speech makes you to better prepare for any speeches. So the negative emotions are required. But how do you positively use that negative emotions to bring out best out of you is what decides your success. When somebody asks what is negative emotions, it is not only just a sadness or something which is distress. Okay, it can be an anger, it can be a competitiveness. One of your colleague who is working with you is performing very well. Okay, you should not be jealous about him. That is again a negative emotion, but you can try to improve yourself to see, okay, how I can perform very better as a person and how we can match the organization expectations. How do you take the positivity out of negative emotions would be the flip side of the negative emotions. I would like to invite two or three thoughts from the fellow audience, so how did you convert the positivity from the negative emotions? Anyone in the audience have any experience? 15 to 20 seconds. Any experience you have to convert or find a positivity in the negative emotions?
First, understand that life is full and full of negatives all along. Whether we like it or not, there are a lot of negatives around. So the first idea should be to really throw it out. Come what may, let me be positive, because it is always negatives around me, whether I like it or not. I keep moving forward. That's how I do.
Thank you, Gopinath. Any more views?
Imagine the worst.
Imagine the worst.
You can
Prepare for
survive.
the best. Yeah.
Having failed multiple times in college, then you know that there is nothing called fear of failure, because nothing ever happened after that, right? So
Yes. See, when in my personal experience, when I started doing CA, all my relatives came and complained to my parents, like saying that it's a very tough course. I am the first graduate in my family. I never know what is the success or pass rate, all those things. I never know about the CA. Just like that, I started. But so many people have said like, okay, it is very tough course. The pass percentage is only 7%, 8%. So why your son choose that course? That's how my journey in a professional course started. So, but I took that positively in my personal experience. That how can I come out of it successfully? I have a good practice to express it all to you. It is Dr. Real. How to manage negative emotions? It is Dr. Real. Dr. Real. Just remember that code word Dr. Real. Dr.Real. R-E-A-L. D. Don't blow things out of proportions. Even if you are in a bad state, don't blow things out of proportions. Try to be very calm. The things will get past. You will able to mature. Or relax. The calmness will help you to think what made you to come to the state. Even if it is a toughest or the complex problem, you'll able to master it if you are in a calm state. So relax. And then R, reasonable. Accept that bad things do happen to everyone. Be reasonable, accept it and move on. E, educate. Learn how to master it. Learn from your failures. Try to concentrate on things which will help you to improve. A, activities. Any activities or exercise will help you to refresh your mind and try to get that calmness or positivity into you, which will help you to become a better person. L, let go of the past. If you're thinking about all the past activities in your present will be of the past. So the best treatment or the best person to judge you about negative emotions and to bring positivity is you. Contact Dr. Real. That is nothing but you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day. Thank you for the opportunity to speak in a milestone event. Thank you.